What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com doing a quick market review of the S&P 500 today. Bit of an inside day at a standstill. Support at 25.32 still holding. Level that we've been talking about for quite some time. Yesterday, price action sold off across the markets, and on the S&P specifically, we touched down at that 25.32 level. And now it's a waiting game. I personally think that we're just sort of going to sit tight for a minute, but then we're going to move lower and step down a bit here. And I think we'll see the S&P come off and shed some more value. And I think that the the next level that we're watching for in the S&P 500 is this 2482 level. With that, we're just taking advantage of all of the relative strength. The big play today, not huge but good, was this XOM trade. Now, you can see that it was down 2 points today. And, again, we were trading this. This was a really, really nice play. Nice breakdown. Just show you on a simple 5-minute chart what we were doing here exactly. And you can see right through here that there was a bit of movement pre-market. It stepped down, sort of consolidated, and it was right in this general area when price action found that 20-day simple moving average ceiling right there, that it decided to step down. And so what we were doing was taking advantage of a short trade right through here with some puts. And you can see that we stepped down. It rallied a little bit. VWAP resistance held, and then this thing sold off beautifully in and around to the close. There was a bit of a very, very late rally. I'm not giving it too much value. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning. But XOM, nice puts. We were doing well with this. Schlumberger is another one that we were also trading today. And then the Overstock stocks, we're trading puts on that one as well. That one is also trading nicely down today. Not as much as it was yesterday, but still down. Anyways, I hope that some of that's helped. If you have any questions, I have an info@jlewisTrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, if you have any comments, leave them below. I want to hear what you guys are thinking, what you're saying. If there's something you want me to cover, by all means, add it to the comments below. And we'll put together some videos for you guys. And don't forget to join us tomorrow. We're hosting a huge webinar. It's very, very popular. We've held it before. We're hosting again tomorrow. What you need to survive the financial markets. There is a link below to get involved and to register for that. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com.